Hello everyone, Sam is from myforestmagicweb.com, making this video about the pound index. So let's get started. Um, over the weekend, I think on Saturday or Sunday, I made the chart, a 40-minute daily chart of the pound index, saying that okay, these are Elliott wave counts on a daily chart: 1, 2, 3, 4, the sideways movement, and then if I'm right, if my count is right, then we need wave five around here. Maybe 72.40 would be the end of it, or maybe we go over even 74.59 area. All right, so this is the chart, and but the price doesn't go in a straight line, right? So it goes up and down, making small waves on a smaller time frame. So we keep looking for a proper time to make an entry, proper setup, right? So my 40-minute Magic Ivy setup is this. So pound index right now, so it went up and then nicely drop here, right? And this indicator is all the way down, and red candle is right there above 68, 61. Where 6861 is right there. 6861 on a weekly chart. This is how the weekly chart look like. I showed it on the previous pound video, and it is ready to bounce. Right? If I'm right, this is the route that it will go. It's a proper 40-minute long setup. Yellow line is above the black. Blue candles, red candles coming into the wave, touching at least the yellow line. Yes. This indicator is all the way down and ready to go up. Yes. And price is making way higher low, right? This is higher low than this or this, whatever you can, the last low. It's high, right? All I need is a blue candle here, a reversal candle, and one blue candle, and that will make this bullish on 7-minute chart. And from there on, all pound pair will be going up. But the question is that with this, do we have setups in pound pairs? So let's go take a look if pound pairs are aligned with this pound index and giving us some positive sign or positive, like a green light that they are going up. So let's go take a look. This is the chart that I made earlier and sent out I posted on my Telegram as well. Remember, this is the one, the pound CAD 40-minute possible butterfly harmonic pattern, right? So this is the 40-minute, right? So that's how it is. It's not only that it is making the long Magic Ivy setup, as well as it is making harmonic pattern XABC bouncing from 38. But well, let me see if I have the okay here. This is the picture, right? This is the diagram, and it is moving. The price is moving according to this diagram. See this B point at 78%. B point was 78%. C point bounced either 90% of the time it bounces from 38%. Sometimes it drops to 23 and then bounce. But you can see we already have a reversal candle and a blue candle. It's in the bounce here right now, and see this. This is a current chart, so it's bouncing, right? So it is good to go to the upside. Yes, from this level 73.87, we go above, and then where we go to the upside. Now, what about other pairs? For example, pound USD 40-minute setup. Okay, now it is not ready yet. This indicator is not all the way down, and it is not touching the yellow line, even though the yellow line has gone above the black. So it is going to make maybe later on, or maybe not, or maybe pound index will start to go up, and this will start to go up from here. And I'm sure that we have a 20-minute long setup already. You see that? It's basically it's in no man's land. That's what I call, right? Because yellow has gone below the black, so no long entry either. So we will wait on this one. Now, pound yen, the pound USD, it is bullish, but we don't have a proper setup. We will wait for the setup. Remember, I don't take anything without the setup. So now pound yen, you can see beautiful long setup is ready to go. Indicators all the way down. A yellow line is above the black. Price went above them, above the averages, right? And came down, red candles at the 51.61 level. And by the way, this coming down, I had 2 trades earlier. Today. Let me see if I can show you them right here. Okay. So now the first one, where the heck did it go? The first one, pound yen from the 20-minute chart when it was coming down just below this level, 52.82. Beautiful short setup and all the way to 51.61. Close here. But I was watching it on the 7-minute chart on the other account, and this was a 7-minute entry. So I took that one as well. So I had 65 pip. Let me show you. So 65 here and 80 there. 2 trades, pound yen today. And altogether is 145 pip just from one pair. All right, so this is how it is. And it is now, it came down here nice and clean, sitting on this level, and it has gone bullish, and it is in line with the pound index, right? Pound index start to bounce from there, and this will start bouncing. What about pound Aussie? Pound Aussie, here we go. Pound Aussie is also beautifully, going up, and it's a nice long setup. By the way, the weekly chart is like this, nice and clean going to the upside. I think we're going to go a little bit more, at least 50% of this fib here, which is coming in line with 91.78 number, monthly high, right? Monthly, it's a monthly high. Either it's going to stop here, or it may go all the way to 61%, and this number, 96.86. But my first target would be this, 91.78, little by little, right? So, and a daily range. Every pair has a daily range. How much is this baby has a daily range? Let's go take a look. Where's the daily range indicator? Okay, I don't have it here. Let me quickly drop it here and see. Now, this pair is doing average 100, right? And yesterday it has done on 110 pip. So let's see. Today so far 46. In what direction? So it came down from the top to bottom. See this white dotted line? That's today's, right? So the top was here, the bottom was here, and that's 46 pip. Now, if it is start to go up, you need 60 pip above this. So maybe this is also, 30 pip and then 60 pip more. So around 100 pip trade, shot we have on this, right? This is how you determine the target, right? So pound Aussie, we have a long setup. Pound yen, we have a beautiful long setup. Pound USD, the setup is not done yet. It is a bullish scenario, but the setup is not there, and it is cooking right now. It will be ready, hopefully. If not, then maybe the 20-minute setup we have to take. Without the 40-minute, we will just simply look for the 40-minute long once the indexes start bouncing. What about CAD? Pound CAD, we already saw that this is what's happening with pound CAD. This is the most beautiful, perfect. It's not only my magic IB setup, but it is also beautiful harmonic pattern, right? X, A, B, C, D, and all the calculation I just explained you that they are there, 70%, then 38%, and it's gonna go to 127% right there. So what else? We have pound CAD and pound Aussie. Pound Aussie is also bullish, and it's keep dropping here. But the thing is that it is sitting on 98.45, just above the 98.45 level. Where the heck is that? Gonna go pound to 98.45. This is a big number here, right? And it's a 38%. So we are above it and kind of like having a support. See that? So pound index goes up, this will go up. All right. And last but not least is the pound franc. And we see that this baby is basically it's bearish, but it is, if you pull the fib from here to here, notice that we went up 78%, is almost 88% by the way, right? But if you consider 78% like a harmonic pattern, then it came down to not only 38, but it went down a little bit more to 23% line. But the thing is that, from 78, sometimes, like I said, I just showed you a pound CAD. Sometimes it is, let me go back there again. So see, sometimes it comes to 38. Most of the time bounced from 38, but sometimes it comes to 23% and then bounce. So that's what it is doing right now. 23%. So if pound index start bouncing, this baby will bounce from here. Okay, so it will hold. Actually, it held nicely and bouncing. You see that 20-minute chart. I'm not gonna refresh the chart right now. You guys can do it. So pound index getting ready to bounce, hopefully. And this is the chart that we're gonna be watching. This one chart will give us so many pound pairs and trades, right? So many trades in pound pairs, should I say? So keep an eye on it and be ready. Okay, so we might have some fireworks. I could be wrong, but this is my analysis. This is what I'm doing, and this is what I'm waiting for. And if I find some, I take some entries, and I'll show my trades to you guys tomorrow. But I'm telling you ahead of time that this is what's happening, and I'm prepared for that. All right. So this is it for now, and after that, I will. Yen index is also moving very interestingly. And let me just show you something there quickly, and but I will make a separate video for that. But this is the chart. Again, same kind of story, right? XAB at 78%. I was expecting C that this thing will come down a little bit more to at least 38 and then bounce. So let's see what happens, right? This is exactly the same scenario as the one I just showed you on pound CAD. We need to come down here to 38%. Once we are there, doing so, all yen pairs will go down, right? Already I showed you that I took 2 pound yen based on that. The pound was weak, was getting weaker, but the main scenario on that pound yen shorts was this, that yen was getting strong, and yen is on the right hand side, so pound yen went down. So 2 trades, maybe another small trades I'm going to take, because I'm watching right now on the 7-minute chart. It is bearish, and I might take it to the downside until this thing comes to this 38. From there, I'm expecting a bounce, 56.24. So if this is start bouncing to the upside, that would be the fun time. That would be like all yen pairs will be going up, right? So maybe the game will start, the fireworks on this yen pairs will start maybe in a couple of days, right? So hang in there. When that happens or about to happen, I will let you guys know. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the week. Any question or anything, just email me.